Alright y'all, so I'm back out here with this ZD Racing Pirates 2. I did manage to get this thing fixed. I actually put some super glue on here. Right in here, I don't know if you guys can see this, but right in here is where I put the super glue. But it locked this pinion gear here to this pinion on the motor. And so now it doesn't move. It seems like it'll hold up. We're going to test it out now to see if it holds up. I also did a little mod to the transmitter here. It doesn't have a battery compartment in here anymore. And so what I did was I installed an internal battery in here. So I used the Tiny Hawk S battery that comes with that PH 2.0 style connector, the 2S. And I actually plugged it inside here. There was a socket here connecting this battery connection on the bottom. The AA battery connection on the bottom was running up here and plugging into a 2.0, a PH 2.0 connection. And so I just removed that, did a little mod here, and I got the balance connector of that battery sticking out here so I can check the charge of the pack anytime. And I can actually charge it up from this, but I'm wondering if I can charge it up from this thing on the rear here. There's a little socket there to plug into to charge, but I'm thinking that you might have to use a nickel cadmium battery in order for that to charge properly. But I don't know, you might be able to use a LiPo. But anyhow, check it out, it does work. So let's do a quick run of this to test it out. Again, there's a 120 amp ESC in here, and we're running a 1300 milliamp hour 4S pack still. So let's get it fired up. Got some traffic. You can actually see the tires ballooning now. Oh. Let's try to do a speed run if I can without it flipping over. There's definitely a little more power. Oh, need a wheelie bar on this thing. Okay, so I know you guys don't want to see this thing running all day in this back alley here, so wow. Definitely a lot more speed, a little more fun to drive. As long as you can control the wheelies. thing is a beast now. Okay, I think I'm probably killing this 4S pack now. So I'm going to end the video now. The ZD Racing Pirates 2 with 4S and the diff slot. Thanks for watching.